The future is changing, the future is technology, and we at Karo help you embrace it. Ever wonder, how can architects and interior designers leverage the potential of this technology to design and build modern spaces? At Karo Consulting, we help you achieve that. We act as your technical consultants, helping you build homes that are not just architectural marvels, but also technically advanced. By a carefully choreographed marriage between architecture and technology, we are able to achieve results like never before. We help you plan and design a robust wireless automation framework through Karo Design Consulting Services. Procure, integrate and install smart devices with Karo Product Consulting Services. Designing electrical protection systems, integrating energy conservation systems and much more. We take care of all of this so that you can focus on what you do the best. Now is the opportunity to hop on this exciting journey with us, a journey where we design and build smarter, connected, futuristic spaces.